Let's say some guy comes up to you and says solve 1996 times 11. And you can solve it very quickly without any piece of paper. So we all know, you know that we can split 11 into 10 plus 1. And then just multiply it. Then we get if you know distributive property, or if you don't, you multiply this, then this, and we all know how to multiply, but then you just add 0 in the end, and 1 is, well, just the number itself, so we get this. And then the answer is 2. Okay, so 5. You can check it. This is the answer. And I'm gonna show you another trick. Let's say some guy comes up to you and says, what's 24 times 26? Well, you could use the normal way, but here's a faster way. Oops. Okay, I'll give you a different one. How about 23 times 27? So first, it's actually kind of similar to this. Yeah, it's kind of similar to the squares of 5s. In fact, the squares of 5s also follows this. So what do you notice about the ones place? 3 plus 7 is 10, and the 10's digit are the same. So we first multiply the ones digits. And that gives you 21. And then instead of multiplying 2 times 2, you would do 2 times 3, and then you get 61. And you already saw the answer, so yeah. So try this. Let's see what your answer is. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is your answer. Now I'm gonna show you another trick. This time it's 3-digit numbers. Let's say some other guy comes up to you and says, solve this. And I'll give you 2 problems because some people might make a mistake. So this is 3-digit. Might take some time. But what if I can tell you can solve this in your brain with this trick? So multiply 4 by 9, you get 36. So you leave this 36 here. And then it's kind of similar to our 2-digit by 2-digit. It's the exact same method as the 2-digit by 2-digit. So 3 times 9, 27. 9 times 4, 36. They both have the 9 in them, so we could just, okay, that is 63. And then 3 times 9. 26. 7. So this would be your answer. Alright. This is what we got. Oops. Okay, so this is all what we think it is. This is the actual exact same. But I want to show you another case. Like, let's say you wanted to know what 7 times 8 6. So this is what most people would do. Okay, so 6. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so 6 times 7. You put the bar, but as you can see, some weird answer came. So 6 times 7. This is what people would do. 6 times 7, that is 42. 9 times 6, 54. 8 times 7, 56. 56 plus 54 is 110. And then 9 times 8 is 72. So I think the answer the answer to this is 7,211,042. But obviously that's not correct. Because all 3-digit numbers are, because only 1,000 squared is 1,000,000. But all 3-digit numbers are less than 1,000, so it can't be 1,000,000, and obviously can't be 7 million. So what do we do now? Well, the first step is correct. So it is actually 42. The 10th digit and 1's digit are 42, but the middle can only have 2 because it's 100. The 100 gets carried away, so we just write a 10 here. Then 9 plus 8 is 72. So we add 72 to 1 and we get 73. So just be a bit careful. That's all it for today. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.